Our car tester tells us about the new facelift of the Toyota Auris. There have been upgrades to the exterior design, the engines, and the driver assistance systems. Her test car has a 1.6-liter diesel engine, which has replaced the 2-liter version. She's going to show us exactly what the new Auris has to offer. Since 2009, the Auris has been available as a hybrid alongside the 2 conventional models. Toyota has improved all 3 engine types and has made the standard engines more efficient by decreasing their size. This model consumes on average around 4 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers, with carbon dioxide emissions of 104 grams per kilometer. The new Auris will come onto the market in September. The prices aren't set yet, but will be based on previous versions. Ines says the new 1.6 diesel version's high power and torque give it a very fast feel. She finds the steering wheel really fits your hands, and changing manually between the 6 gears is very smooth and comfortable. Toyota has given the exterior new flowing lines. The silver trim sweeps elegantly from one headlight to the other. The back of the car is more angular. Toyota works in several sites to meet the desires of their different European customers. Thomas Heidbrink works for Toyota. He tells us about its development and research center in Brussels and its design center in France. The Auris is manufactured in the UK in hybrid and conventional models. Thomas notes that this is a European product made for Europe and even is imported to Asia. The station wagon and 5-door hatchback models look the same from the front, but have their own distinct rear design. We're trying out the assistance systems at this test site in Brussels. It's worth testing the emergency functions beforehand for your own peace of mind. Ines is testing the pre-collision system, which is designed to prevent fender benders when driving in the city. She's going at 30 kilometers per hour towards an obstacle, and she's going to pretend she's not paying attention. The system applies the brakes to stop her crashing. And this braking system works even if your foot is still on the accelerator. Our tester finds it strange relying on the system and also thinks the noises and abrupt braking are a bit unnerving. But once you know that it works and you trust it, she thinks it's really a comforting and useful feature. The technology for this system is fitted around the rear mirror. The Auris collects the necessary information using a camera and a laser sensor. These are also used for the full beam assistant and the lane departure warning system. It also recognizes traffic signs and communicates them to the driver. Ines says the car's thin pillars have improved visibility and thus safety. Toyota has spruced up the interior as well. The display in the central console now resembles a tablet and can be operated via touchscreen. Ines is impressed all around with the new Toyota Auris. She likes the design of the 3D rear lights and the assistance systems, which you can add on for €550 in Germany. She thinks they'll make everyday city driving much safer.